Foundation repairs can seriously mess with your landscaping and outdoor spaces if you're not careful. So, here's the deal. Before you even pick a contractor, ask them straight up how they're going to protect your lawn, garden, driveway, or walkways during the repair. You want someone who uses protective materials like plywood or mats to keep heavy equipment from crushing your grass or flowers. Also, see if they have a plan for keeping dirt and debris from spreading everywhere, like tarps or barriers. It's super helpful if they'll clean up daily so your yard doesn't turn into a mud pit. Don't forget to check if they'll fix any damage they cause, like reseeding grass or patching concrete. Another tip: try to schedule your repairs during dry weather so the ground is firmer and less likely to get wrecked. And if you're worried about trees, ask how they'll protect roots since those can be fragile during digging. Basically, the best contractors treat your outdoor space like it's their own and keep the mess to a minimum. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation repair is not asking about landscape protection up front, which can lead to surprise damage and extra costs. Another common issue is choosing a contractor who doesn't have a clear cleanup plan, leaving your yard looking like a construction zone for weeks. Last, a lot of folks forget that timing matters. Doing repairs in wet seasons can cause more damage to your property and slow down the work. To fix this, always get detailed protection and cleanup plans in writing before the work starts. Pick a contractor with good reviews about respecting landscaping. Schedule the job when the weather is dry and mention any specific plants or features you want extra care with. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find super reliable local contractors who know how to handle foundation repairs without wrecking your yard. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to get work from people who really need pros that care about their homes and gardens.